how to buy Hispanic pepe token. This token came under the symbol of CONCHO, as you can see here, guys. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account, as you can see here, and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. This token, it's increased by 20,000% in the last 24 hours. And the market cap of this token is $17 million, and the volume is $23.6 million, and the liquidity here unlocked by 98%. That's good. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and remember, this token address is under this Solana choke. Now for that, I will use the Phantom wallet. Open your Phantom wallet, click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here, type how much you want to buy. You can increase that amount, of course, and or decrease it, so it's your choice. Now this is how much you receive. Select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So after that, if you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip page, because most of issues it came from the slip page. Now switch from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy CONCHO token. If you find, or CONCHO token, if you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.